from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A nurse accused of abusing babies remains out on bond. And get ready for Henrico Restaurant Week. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute for Friday, April 25th, 2025. Some rain likely this evening, but we'll have highs of 83 before that. The News Minute is brought to you today by Pelagos VR.
And now for the news.
Former Henrico Doctors Hospital nurse accused of abusing several infants in her care will remain out on bond after Henrico prosecutors requested that bond be revoked, but were denied during her arraignment hearing on Wednesday on 6 new charges dating back to 2022 involving 3 separate babies. Prosecutor Allison Martin made the bond revocation request orally rather than in writing. Judge Richard Wallerstein Jr. said the new charges were of, quote, lesser concern, end quote, concerning bond because they occurred prior to the pending matters already before the court. Stratman's lawyer in court said he believes something else may be coming up in 2 weeks related to Stratman, suggesting more charges could be coming. You can read much more on our website, henricocitizen.com, from our partners at WTVR. And Monday is the start of Henrico Restaurant Week. It's presented by us at the Henrico Citizen in partnership with the Henrico Economic Development Authority and CKS Equipment. It offers you the chance to dine at a number of great Henrico restaurants throughout the week, April 28th through May 4th. And each time you order off the special Restaurant Week lunch menu, $1 will be donated to our nonprofit partner, Safe Harbor Shelter. Each time you order a special Restaurant Week dinner, the donation will be $3. You can learn much more about the whole event. See a list of participating restaurants at henricorestaurantweek.com. We hope you'll gather a group of friends or family members and make some plans to enjoy Henrico restaurants all next week. Needles Eye Ministries will welcome the community to its new Henrico headquarters with a grand opening celebration on May 15th from 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. The location is at 2550 Gaskins Road, Suite A. Guests will have a chance to enjoy refreshments and take a first look at the newly renovated space. Needles Eye is a faith-based nonprofit founded back in 1977. It's dedicated to equipping professionals to integrate faith into their work. It serves the community with small groups, leadership development, as well as events. You can learn more at needleseye.org. Certain Virginia bridges and tunnels could be repaired or replaced ahead of schedule, saving people years of waiting to use them thanks to a law that will take effect July 1 that stems from a bipartisan effort in this year's General Assembly. Lawmakers and Governor Glenn Youngkin passed an administrative proposal allowing the state to expedite projects considered under Virginia's Special Structures Program by issuing revenue bonds of up to $200 million a year and up to $1 billion in total. Issuance will begin in 2028. You can read more on our website, henricocitizen.com, from our partners at Virginia Mercury. And once again, it is Friday. That means you can find our weekend top 5, a list of 5 great things happening around the county today, tomorrow, and Sunday right now on our website. You can also check out our weekly Restaurant Watch, which brings you the latest health inspection reports from Henrico restaurants. Hope you make it a great weekend. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Pelagos VR, the ultimate virtual reality experience at Regency Square. Book your experience at pelagosvr.com. That's Pelagos VR.com. Experience their limitless roam and high-action arena VR, virtual escape rooms, a full bar and food on site, and much more. Book today at pelagosvr.com.